My name is David and I'm a final year audit trainee at Audit Wales, and I just wanted to share my experience of joining the graduate scheme at Audit Wales. So I left university with a degree in sports science. Although I felt my interests and skills were tailored towards a career in finance, the main challenge to me was that I had little prior experience working in finance, nor did I have an accounting and finance degree. The Audit Wales graduate programme appealed instantly to me, as there was no requirement for a financial background or relevant degree, and I'd be provided with training and tutoring in order to gain my ICAEW ACA chartership, whilst also having valuable financial auditing experience over a 4-year period. The role has been a large process of growth for me, and I feel as though my career trajectory has changed so much as a result of obtaining new qualifications and experiences as part of the Audit Wales Graduate Trainee scheme. I suppose that my message would be that regardless of your background, whether you have a relevant degree or not, if you're genuinely interested in a career in audit or accounting, then the Audit Wales graduate scheme is for you.